Today I'm going to show you how to install cruise control stalk on this Astra H diesel 1.9 using Opcom, and just going to run through how to get this in. So basically it comes out by pressing or pushing in a bit of wire or Allen key, anything that fits in this groove. I've used a bit of this, just normal wire. You push it in from this end straight in there and then it comes out. So I'll just quickly show you, because I've removed my old one. So basically push it in there all the way. So that's all in. So I pushed in the wire in that groove, basically lift it up and then keep pushing it all the way and then just pull it out like this, and then you can see where that wire's gone. So once you installed it in, pushed it right in, it's all there, ready to go. The other thing you have to check is if you got the clutch switch, which most diesels will have. To see if you got one, you need to take this cover off. You go under here, and in here, let me just shine it over. In here, on the clutch pedal side, you should have a little grey switch, which is all the way up the top there. That's the started. We got the stalk installed. We know we got the switch. We need the Opcom interface cable for the OBD. OBD socket is under the handbrake, so just remove that cable there and put that in there. There she's in. Ignition is on. Now we're going to the Opcom. I've got this going diagnostics. Now we're going to 2007 Astra H body. That one there. Instrument just logging in like so. Then you go into programming and program that one there, variant configuration 1672, enter. Now in there, and then we just go in there and we say present, enter. See, you found a cruise control. Now we go into the steering column, that one here, go enter, logging in. Then we could do the same, programming. Then we're going to program variant configuration. Code is already there. Go in. Then we see cruise control. Drop down menu thing. Down, present, yes. Program. Okay. Okay, successfully. Sound. Go back. Close that. That's done. So we've done the IPC ECU as the first one. Then we did the steering column one. Then we've got to go back, go into engine, and then that's a 1.9 diesel. So we keep scrolling down, and it's that one, DTH. Go into that one. Click OK. Then we go into programming again, and then that one on the top, variant configuration, and then we go cruise control there, and then click on that, present, perform coding there, successfully programmed, and then that should be it. Now it should all work. So you just got to keep going back, close, back, and back, and back again, and back again, and exit that. And then we're all done now. So to recap quickly, you need a clutch switch to start with, then you need a stalk, that's easy to install, so as long as you got that. Then you need the Opcom, you could do with a Chinese one, as mine is a Chinese as well. And then you need the interface, the cable, all come together. And if it doesn't work, if it doesn't come up with a green light on the bottom, then you just start the computer as I did. I've been starting it to get my Opcom working properly. So select that one. Just a quick demonstration of how to just press that one there.